Hey folks, it's Steve again. Thank you for joining me on Grow Together. Today, we're going to talk about instructions. When you buy a plant, it often comes with a little plastic thing with it. These are instructions on how to have a healthy plant. It tells you when to water it or how to water it, if it should take sun or shade. They're important. You know, we always have instructions in life. I think sometimes we need a book on how-to. Have you ever bought some furniture from Walmart or Kia and you open it up and there's all these screws and there's all these boards and they're all labeled and you don't know what to do? So you try and you start and you get to the end and you think, oh my word, I don't have enough screws. It meant that you winged it. And my question today is, do you read it or do you wing it? And that's where I want you to leave me in the comment section. What are you? Are you one that will read it or are you one that will wing it? You know, we also have divine instructions. Divine instructions lead us to divine power. An example, when the children of Israel were going to cross the Red Sea, they were told that Moses would hold his staff up in the air and the sea would part. Oh man, they probably thought, this is great. No, they thought, oh my, how's that going to work? It did, and they were tapped into divine power. Same way with the walls of Jericho. When they were told to walk around 7 times and then shout, I'm sure again they thought, how in the world is this going to work? But you know what? They did. It worked. Again, they had divine power. God gives us instructions in His Word. In Deuteronomy 5:33, He says, follow all the instructions that I give you so that your life may go well. Another amazing place, I think, where we see divine instructions, when the children of Israel were going to cross the Jordan River, they were told that the priest would carry the Ark of the Covenant. And by this time, the Jordan was flooded. And He said, when the priest's feet hit the river will then part. And it did. Sometimes we need to get our feet wet. Sometimes we just need to step out and do what God would have us to do so we can experience divine power. Remember my challenge, read it or wing it. This is Steve Price. Anything is possible with God. Grow together.